this is our bike check. Alright, ready? Alright, your bike's first. Alright, it's good.
Go do it. Go tell them.
I don't know your parts, bro.
Oh, I don't know.
Go, go. How you do bike check?
Alright.
Alright, go.
And let's go.
Alright, go.
Bars. Pretty sure it's stolen.
Yeah, they're stolen. Eat shit grips.
Shit grips.
Shock, conspiracy, seat, back lip, and hub.
25.9.
Show them your sound. Show them your hub.
Oh, yeah.
Blue spokes. Shock, conspiracy, interlock chain. Not bad, not bad. His headset's fucking sick. Oh yeah, animal, GLH tire in front, rolling Primo hump.
Oh, it's a stolen headset.
Stolen. Alright, now this is my bike. Alright, now what we got here is Odyssey tires laced up on Odyssey tires and laced up onto a stolen stun back rim.
Eastern
Medusa, sprocket 25.9 in the back. Eastern ramrodder frame, Shadow Conspiracy, pivotal seat post, Eastern plastic seat, Sharp Conspiracy grips, Eastern stem 5950 era patent rock in there. Cranks, Eastern Nomad cranks in green, Eastern forks, rock and nail. Front rim, I don't even know. I think it's a poverty hub logo. Cane Creek headset, you know what it is. Handlebars, 8-inch rise, don't know the width, pretty sure 34.5, so that. Eastern PC pedal, holding up great. Sound pretty nice. I don't like it too loud, you know. Yeah. And that's my back rim. And that's our bikes, pretty much. Our bikes.
Rusted out.
I did my Boston collection on it.
Oh, massive shit.
Set up with Yep. We were rocking that stuff. And I voted today.
Front check it.
The new era.
Oh, I can't say that out.
Alright, this is our bikes, nigga. Oh yeah, and he's got a Fly Terra frame, which is pretty fucking sick. Yeah. That
It's like a $600 thing.
our bikes. Yeah.
South.